welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I'm coming to you guys with a twist out kind of hair tutorial. You can call it a hair tutorial, you cannot call it a hair tutorial, you can call it whatever you want. This is like my go-to style that I wear my hair quite often. If you guys have been following me, you know that I am going through kind of like a, I don't know what you want to call it, a fitness journey. I'm struggling. So this week I've been working out. I think I've worked out so far 4 out of the 5 days of the week from Monday until today. So I'm doing pretty good. But my hair is not. So I say all that to say that I am finding myself having to do my hair more because of the sweat and the moisture retention in my hair. It's irritating my scalp. So generally I just wash my hair and deep condition it once a week, twist it up, and then kind of wear it in different kind of styles throughout the week. But I'm finding myself having to do like a midweek co-wash type of thing. So I'm coming tonight to show you guys the twist out that I normally do to my hair. It's my go-to style. I've been doing this forever, and I got my Old Faithful product. So I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk. I've been using this forever. And then I'm using my Eco Styler Gel. Sometimes during the week I don't use Eco Styler Gel if I'm doing something quick. Today I am using Eco Styler Gel because I want it to hold a little bit more. And then I use the coconut milk oil to kind of set everything. And that's it. I've already, as you can see, I've already sectioned off my hair, and I've already put my leave-in conditioner in it. What I did is I did a co-wash with the Hello Hydration Herbal Essence conditioner in the shower and detangled in the shower. And then once I got out, I did my my leave-in, and then I'm going to just do the regular styling piece to that. So I'm going to take you guys along. I generally start in the back of my hair. It's just easier to kind of start in the back and work my way up. Y'all, this brush though, so in about, I think another hair video I did a few videos back, I told you guys I debuted my Felicia Leatherwood Detangler Brush. This brush is everything, and I'm not exaggerating. Like, I have, as you can see, a lot of hair. This is just a section. This is just a section of my hair. So I have a lot of hair, and it's very thick. This brush gets through my hair. And it's true that because this brush follows your hair and it's not making your hair adjust to it, the brush is adjusting to your hair. But you know how when you have a good conditioner that has really good slip and it makes that little like slipping noise, the brush is working with that instead of like working against it. So this brush is awesome. If you are thinking about getting it, I suggest getting it. If you have thick hair like myself, thick kinky hair like myself, I suggest getting this brush because it has literally been a lifesaver the last few weeks that I've had it and have been using it. I will say that I set up to get this brush in December, and I don't think it shipped out to me until like middle of January. So there is a bit of a waiting list where there was for me. I don't know if it's still one currently. So if you're wanting this brush, get on the list and get it in your life because it will change your life. And I didn't mean to do, that was a very impromptu review of the brush, but I felt the need, because I think in that first video that I did with it, that was my first time using it. So I couldn't really, you know, give like my full review. So I'm telling you guys now, like, the brush is everything, and I'm not exaggerating. So usually what I do is, oh gosh, this stuff is thick. I can't even get it out. Yeah. What is going on? I'm trying to get this to squirt out the bottle, and it's not cooperating with me. Now all of this just came out. Okay. I didn't need to do that. I need to figure out, I need to put this on something to kind of save it. I didn't mean for all of that to squirt out. Okay. So I start with the Style Milk. Working it in good. And then to top that off, I go in with the Eco Styler Gel. Like I said, I don't always use the Eco Styler Gel. I'm just using it today because I want a good, I want a really good hold. So that when I do the twist out, come back and do the twist out, it, you know, it has nice definition with a nice hold. And then I follow that up with the oil. And that's it. And then I get to twisting. I just twist it up. Okay guys, so I'm all done twisting up my hair. It's a long process because I wanted the twist to be smaller than I normally do, since I'm going to do it as a twist out tomorrow. So you can see the twists are juicy, which is always a good indication. It's kind of heavy-handed on the product, but like I said, I know these products and how they do on my hair, so they'll dry up fine. It won't leave any residue. So I'll come back when I take them down for styling and show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna go sit under the dryer for 30 minutes and then I'm gonna put my bonnet on to sleep at night for the night, and then I'll come back in the morning and show you guys what it looks like when I take it down. All right. All right, I'm back. So this is the next day, as you guys can tell. So the twists are completely dried. This one, I already know this is gonna be looking interesting because you see how this not even curled at the bottom. I think that's still some damaged end that I didn't cut off all the way. So that's a little wonky, but other than that, all the other ones look pretty good. So I'm gonna start untwisting them and then fluffing it out. I don't do the best job with doing this. I feel like I could be a little better. I don't do the best job because I don't have patience. And look, I did get some residue. I didn't think I would. I think it's that Eco Styler gel. I usually use the what do you call it? The clear Eco Styler gel. And the one that I used last night was the one with argan oil. So I think that's why I still have some residue. I normally don't get residue with the clear one. This is how it looks with it all taken out, but this is thick hair problems. You find twists that you didn't even know were there. Okay, now I'm just doing a feel to make sure I've gotten them all and kind of fluffing it out. So as everyone who's a natural know, first day hair is not always the best hair. At least I don't like first day hair because it's too, I don't like first day hair because it's too confined. Like your curls are not really soft. Well, not soft, but you know, they're not really voluminous. I don't know why I can't say that word. But, yeah. And so what I like to do with this side, let me pick it a little bit, which, I'm just picking the roots. To get more volume. I just picked it lightly. I don't normally do that, but I was just trying that to see if that makes it a little bit more voluminous. Oh, I can't say that word. Yeah, I'm gonna cut these ends because they're really getting on my nerves and they're messing up my hair style. Oh. That was a long piece of hair I just cut. But I'm going to the salon next week, and I feel like she's gonna cut it because I'm gonna get a diva cut anyway, so it's fine. You can't even see me cut it because they're like straggly. They don't even go with anything. So to me, that makes it feel better. Okay, so then what I normally do with this side is I normally pull the side up. Just to add some, because I don't like how that side slumps down. You see how that side slumps down? So I do bobby pins a little bit to pull it away from my face, creating a little bit more definition. I think if my hair was cut in layers, it's another reason I'm going to get this diva cut, because I think if it was cut in layers, I wouldn't need to do that. But because it's not, I kind of have to do that. Okay, and then this side, my back is always the part that, okay, so I gave it a good shake, and this is what it's looking like. So I like how I got a little bang here, and it'll fluff out more as the days go on, but as you know, first day hair is just what it is. It's first day hair. So thank you guys for watching. If you like more videos like this, please subscribe, and please comment down below if you have any suggestions for me, as I've been natural, like I said before, for 9 years, but I'm still kind of getting reacclimated to my hair and getting more empowered, because I was pretty much at the mercy of my hairdresser for years and kind of just let her do whatever to my hair. I got a lot of heat damage because of that. So now I'm trying to really take charge with my hair, and I haven't gotten my hair styled by a stylist since September of 2018, and I'm going this month to get a diva curl. So please comment down below if you have suggestions on things you do, best practices, and things of that nature, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification so that you can get notified of all of my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.